It's sweet, oh. Chema, you dey dance?
What's going on?
I think they just discovered my piano.
Chema, you dey tear down, oh. Make them back for my Chema, oh.
This early, mama. Why you just sick like say person die?
My wife's dead.
Your wife? Just do something like that. She just died like that without saying any goodbye. She no try, oh. She no try at all. Why now? Oh yeah, bro. I feel sorry for you. She could have just say something now. Oh, they pay me. Make I cry. No. No cry. You a big man. You not supposed to cry. Big man, they never cry now. No cry. Bro, I dey think. Do you have any idea of taking her to the mortuary?
No,
Why?
I did not get money.
Oh, you don't have money.
I don't have money.
Oh, so I have to think. Okay. So in that case, we will put her inside fridge.
For what?
This thing now.
You know. What type of idea is that?
I dey try help you, bro. Calm down now. Don't raise your voice.
Are you stupid?
Me, stupid.
My friend, get out of my house.
Now you very stupid. See, person what they get out. You know what I do with you.
It is so sad. It is so sad.